What's up, machinery hunters? So we're here in our warehouse in Phoenix, Arizona. To let you guys in, I wanted to let you guys in on here of another service that we offer our business as far as the manufacturing of water trucks. We're water truck specialists. We manufacture all types of water trucks, custom. We have standard size tanks and trucks ready for service, all international sales available. But we wanted to give you an inside look of here of the warehouse in Phoenix, where you're gonna be able to see all sorts of any types of water truck needs that you guys have. We got it covered, you guys, and we offer international shipping. We mainly are here in the US and Latin America, but we also have a growing amount of customer base out of Europe and Asia. So I mean, there's no place where we cannot get you any of your water truck services. We can get to wherever you need. We offer international shipping of our water tanks. So make sure you guys, right now the water truck season is coming up. So, you know, we're already getting a lot of orders, pre-orders for the season. It's important that you guys let us know what type of trucks you're looking for, what types of tanks, what type of irrigation systems, so we can get you guys booked, we can get you guys those trucks, we can get you guys in order in our manufacturing service, you know, because once we're in full swing of the manufacturing, the schedule gets tight. It gets real tight, and we at last minute, you know, we get a lot of customers wanting orders at last minute, and sometimes our inventory does run out as far as the trucking, the water trucks and the ready to go trucks. So, but as far as your accessories, all your accessories, we have 24/7 service available. As you can see here in the background, you know, we have all the pumps, the fittings, the hoses, you name it, you guys. We all got all water truck needs here covered. So make sure you guys, you know, keep checking this out. Like as the machinery hunters, you know, we're gonna be giving you in-depth inside the secrets of how we work, you know, how we're helping out people, and ultimately is to get you guys connected. Is to get the community connected. So I'm gonna continue to give you a little tour here. I'm gonna pop in the link here. If you're not registered with us, we want to know who you guys are. We want to know who you guys are. We want to get you guys connected. We want to ultimately serve you guys. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour here. But remember, as water truck season comes out, all you water truck guys, any water truck needs, specialty tanking service, specialty manufacturing, make sure you guys give us a call first. We have the largest manufacturing facility in Arizona. We have our operation out of Gadsden, Arizona. So make sure you guys quote us first. Make sure you do it. We've been in this business a long time. Our pricing, our quality is the highest, most competitive rates out there. Best service, I can guarantee you that. So make sure, give us a ring.